Hi, my name's Bob Lindy. I'm an herbalist and an herb grower. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to grow Chinese herbs. Of course, it's very difficult to wrap that up into one easy concept since there's over 10,000 Chinese herbs that we may use. So what you're going to select will depend on your particular area and what your growing zone is. And you may be able to best ascertain that based on consulting with your local agricultural extension. For me, one that I oftentimes like to grow, though, is one known as Antigraphis. The Chinese name is Xin Lian. This is a wonderful antiviral, antibacterial herb, and it seems to have a variety of other anti-inflammatory effects as more and more research is being done on this annual herb. It's really just a weed with some beautiful, tiny, tiny little flowers on it. So with this particular herb, really all you need is ideally full sun to even part sun, well-drained, rich soil, and you just follow the planting directions. And there's a number of different places where you can find these source for these herbs. You can actually contact your local Chinese herbalist, or you may be able to find a good source of Chinese herbs online. So if you're looking for other herbs that you may want to grow that are in the Chinese pharmacy, you're really going to want to look at what the similar growing conditions are compared to those regions of China. And sometimes it's just a lot of experimentation to find out what's going to grow best in your garden and how to prepare it. So this is Bob Lindy talking to you about how to grow Chinese herbs in your garden.